In this video, I will let you know all about Shopify Pagefly. Let's get going. Shopify is a user-friendly e-commerce platform that helps small businesses build an online store and sell online through one streamlined dashboard. Shopify merchants can build a modern online store and sell on social media sites, seller marketplaces, other blogs and websites, and via email, text, and chat. Here I am on my Shopify store dashboard. On the left side, you will see the list of options. The second last option is to add apps. Simply click on it. A variety of suggested apps will appear. Just scroll down and see. At the bottom, you will get the option of the Shopify App Store. Click on it, it will take a while to open. And then popper apps will appear. Just have a look at them. If you don't need any of them, you can search from the search bar for another app that you want. I will write here Pagefly because the topic of this video is Pagefly. Install it here. It will take a while to proceed next. A page about privacy details with an install option in the upper right corner will be shown. When you click on it, it will be successfully installed after a few seconds. You have to enable some options here. Now you can see the main page. Let's have a look at page themes. You can create your page from themes simply by clicking on the Create from the Templates option here. Then select the page type. I will go with the home page. You can see different themes on the home page shown here. You can choose any of them you want to simply by scrolling down. I am going to choose this one. It will take some time to open. Simply scroll down and have a look at them. You can edit these pages from the given options on the left side of the page. When you click on Add Elements, different sub-options will appear. You can use them to make changes. As Layout, Content List, Slideshow, Tab, Accordion, Heading. You can change the text of the heading. You can bold your subheadings here. You also can use the italic and underlines options. Overall, you can edit each and every part of the page from the given options. You can shuffle the list items here. And also can add new items here. Further, you can add Shopify elements here. And also the third-party elements. The integration can be managed here very easily. The last option is extra third-party elements. Check version of your history from here. Add custom code. If you see further on the right side, you will see the styling option. Scroll down and have a look at them. In the upper base, devices options will appear. You can view documentation and other more options like undo, redo, enable options, view live page, more options, background process, help and support if you want. After applying your required option, you save your page from here. And then add the title and save it. That's all about Shopify Pagefly. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.